Most enterprise systems were never designed for today's space. The legacy applications now cost more to maintain than they did to build. They block innovations, slow teams, and collapse under changes. In 2025, modernization isn't option, it's survival. The average enterprise spends over 70% of its budget just to maintain legacy system, and yet nearly 60% of modernization efforts fail due to a poor planning, integrations gaps, or misaligned teams. This is exactly where the Codvo comes in. Modernizing isn't a project, it's a necessity for innovation. We hear it all the time from our clients, the monolithic systems that can't scale, the interface that looks a decade old. They realize that to release that takes a week instead of hours. The features backlog and the frustrated business teams. Today, enterprise need more than a speed, than agility, resilience, and the trust. We take an engineering first approach to modernize. First, we assess the tech debt, business criticality, then we choose the right strategy, replatform, refactor, or rebuild. We break the monolithic into the microservice, containerize it, deployment, and build the API that actually scale. All be embedding DevOps, security, observability from the day one. For a financial client, we rebuild their core servicing app, reducing deployment cycle from 28 days to 48 hours. For healthcare product, we modernize legacy code into React and microservices, improving load time by 60% and boosting user engagement. And for oil and gas client, we created a modernized simulation platform that supports parallel simulation. Traditional modernizations take 12 to 8 months. Codvo delivers modules that get real results in under 3 to 6 months because we are already built architectures, pattern reusable modules, DevOps pipelines, yet to move fast without rework. If your software is slow downing your business, let's change that. Let's not just rebuild, let's reimagine, let's re-engineer what next with the Codvo.